In this lesson, we're going to learn about adding fractions. So if we have a problem like this that says use the fraction strips to help you add the fractions. So we're going to use these strips to help us figure out how to add this. So you can imagine an entire block of strips, addition strips, that show you the breakdown of one whole. So this whole is broken down into halves here. And then here it's broken down into thirds. And here it's broken down into quarters. For us, we're going to be using the fifth, 1 over 5, to see how the whole is broken down. So we could use this strip to help us figure out how to add the fractions. So understand what each shaded piece shows. So if we do that, we can see that each small square is 1 out of 5, or 1/5. So this is 1 out of 5 because there's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So together, these shaded pieces, they make 2 out of the 5 small squares, or 2 over 5. So 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 2/5 because there's 2 of them shaded. So you've added your first fraction, and that's as simple as it is. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. Anyone can do math. Practice makes improvement. And if you need extra help, if you look in the description, there's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along in the ebook this exact lesson as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe if you feel you've learned. Thanks.